offers long-lasting gapless protection and antimicrobial coating. So what are you waiting
Bye,
for?
mag-ayo na po
Give
tao.
your pets 24/7 germ-free protection to your family and
Massage
friends
mga bay.
that they
Kani,
need
mao na ni.
with WH Cleaning Products and
Ako ang
Services.
ayun.
WH Cleaning Products and
Kay
Services.
gusto mo kayo mo vibrate.
Contact them at 0945-183-3178. WH Cleaning Products and Services. Be safe, be protected, be germ-proof.
EXL Makabuhay Bus. Todo el día di aton trabaho hindi fasil. Y el cuidada na di aton familia. Todo este aguanta kita. Siempre, uban di mio el EXL Coffee Mix todo el día. Na 17 herbal food supplement. Pwede tu sostener más que impakilaya de tarda. Tasen bunamente el di mio bowel movement. Sabroso el di mio dormida y alto mi resistencia. Prueba ustedes con el EXL Coffee Mix. May buhay sa EXL Makabuhay.
Department of Agriculture, Region 9.
Ya, prinsipya kami siembra hybrid rice year 2015. El hybrid rice, alto el cosecha, alto también el disu recovery del arroz contra na inbred rice. Kabar whole grain ele, alto el presyo del arroz na pwede kayo bende na market. In terms of income, takeda ele na times 80% kontra na inbred rice. Na Department of Agriculture, tapi di kami gracias con el ayuda tadali kanamon, el mga seminars, el mga nuevo technology.
Department of Agriculture, Region 9. Esteta sirvi uno unique, peaceful in nature-inspired memorial park que ta ofrece un serene lugar para honorar con el vida del di aton mga departed loved ones. El Hillside Memorial Garden, surrounded by nature, is designed with tranquility. Estetan provide comfort, peace, space, que donde el mga memories continue to live on. Nadiila well-maintained landscape makes it not only a final resting place, but also a valuable and heartfelt investment for families. El Hillside Memorial Garden, lukaw lang sila na Lumbangan Diversion Road, Zamboanga City. Or you may contact them at 0966-344-7869 or 0917-721-9307. Visita iman follow di ila Facebook page Hillside Memorial Zamboanga para mira el mga updates e activities.
The one, Mamaga Notisya, 105.9.
The one, the only one.
Solid!
Abusadong pulis, imbogyan. Kriminalidad sa kapulisan, sama-samang nating labanan. Dahil dito sa programang Naputong at Your Service.
Atong mga bay para malimpyo.
Ang aming prioridad. Zamboanga Peninsula, sama-sama nating tunghayan ang iba't ibang programa at isyong kinakaharap ng sektor ng kapulisan. Kasama sina Atty. Alexis De Lima at Atty. Pablito Abad Jr. sa programang Naputong at Your Service. Every Friday from 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Naputong at Your Service. Sa media mo, solid.
Asa na mo? Masaksak natin.
Oh. Started mga partners, it's Friday. Once again, itakiatan din kita sa ating programa na Naputong at Your Service. Siyempre, basta Friday mga partners, tanhunto-hunto si Taki from 3 until 4:30 in the afternoon. Siyempre mga partners, basta Friday, di ating mga invited guests from the Philippine National Police. So, Sumita El Cosa ay
May bay.
will be taking up invited guests from
Okay na mga bay.
the other of it will be talking about later on we'll be talking about
Di man pwede sa
recruitment.
itihan.
And of course, after the recruitment, of course, these trainees will, or these newly recruited individuals will undergo training. And yung invited guest natin ngayon, yun yung pag-uusapan natin tungkol dito sa training institution, no? Commonly being
Okay
referred
na,
to
mga
as
bay.
the Regional Training Center 9 dito sa Region 9. No?
Masads.
And with that, no, we are very glad that our guest is with us this afternoon. No? Ito, kilala niyo siguro, conocido Estes, kasi at one point, naging station commander ng mga different police stations dito sa Zamboanga City. So we'd like to welcome, siya na magpapakilala. Ito, very worthy brother, kasama ko sa fraternity namin. Let us all welcome our guest this afternoon from the Regional Training Center. Good afternoon and welcome po sa programa natin, NAPOLCOM at your service.
Good afternoon for inviting us, the Regional Training Center 9. Buenos dias ng mga listeners diaton and the Miraara kanaton live. We are the Police Regional Training Center 9 located at Camp Felicity Marcos, Pasunang, Zamboanga City. Thank you.
Alright, siyempre, el diaton guest, Police Lieutenant Colonel Mark Anthony L. Caranain. No? Ang yung mga partners, conocidos din, no? Kasi at one point, yan kita sa hepe ng different mga police stations akin na sa Zamboanga City Police Office. No? I would recall, no, when he was the station commander of PS6, no?
Yes.
Tetuan Police Station, no? And very active also, very, full of accomplishments during his term, no, when he was with the Zamboanga City Police Office. But this afternoon, he is sitting here with us as our guest, being part of the Regional Training Center 9. No? So mga partners, SRTC 9, lokaw sa alin Pasunangka. No? We are very fortunate here in the city of Zamboanga because the Regional Training Center of Region 9 is situated here in Pasunangka, here in the city of Zamboanga. Now, dun sa mga siguro kaya-reconoce ng Regional Training Center, no? They would want to know, no? Ano ba, or what is the mandate of our Regional Training Center?
The PNP Regional Training Center 9 is one of the training arms of the Philippine National Police under the supervision of National Police Training Institute and PNP Training Service. Its primary function is to conduct mandatory training programs for police personnel and other specialized or in-service training. Our goal is to ensure every PNP personnel is well equipped with knowledge, skills, and values required for effective police service. So, todo seta pang kami na Regional Training Center 9, sir.
Yes, and of course, no, sabi nga natin, napakalimit din natin, no, si Chene mga newly recruited individuals, alisitan undergo training na nila institution ng Regional Training Center, no. And of course, for those who are already in the service, our police officers would like to be promoted, no. Merong tinatawag, Chene kita talang akal mandatory training.
Mga bay, testing at okay, testing.
Yes.
No? And for those police officers and trainees who are from Zamboanga City, itaablan na medyo favorables kay kanila. Kaya kung sa galita kilang na diatong syudad, no? There would be siguro mga privilege, mga weekend passes, no? Pwede lang sila volve kasi
Okay na, mga bay.
very close to their residence kaya galita kilang na syudad sa Zamboanga. Now, since this is a training,
Ano ba yung mga masads?
so we have different, I believe, trainings being offered or mga courses being offered in the Regional Training Center. Baka we can explain what are these courses or trainings being offered by our institute?
Yes, first is the Public Safety Basic Recruit Course, the PSBRC. If they have their appropriate eligibilities, and later in the show, it will be discussed by the recruitment section.
Okay na, mga bay.
Support unit. Then, at least, they have their NAPOLCOM.
John, ikaw na, John.
Criminology, residence certificate, pwede nila gamitin.